Namaste guys, welcome back to Techity Gamer. This is Srivastav Sai and today I'm going to show you a best alternative for Photoshop and it is even free. So the app name is GIMP. So let us download GIMP. So first step is search in Google GIMP download and go to the first link, or the link will be in the description. Right here you will have everything to download. So to download directly, this is the link for the torrent. This is so if you want older versions, right here is the older versions links. So let us download this, and then within a second you will be downloading this GIMP file. So I will pause the video and will be back after it downloaded. So guys, yes, our file is downloaded. Let us open it. So right here, and then wait a second guys. If you got a message, install for all users, and then you will get a message, do you want to allow this app to make changes, and click yes. And then click your language and then okay. And then install. If you want to customize, you can. So guys, I think you can't see the screen of my downloading. It will say installing GIMP setup. So it is extracting all the files. I will inform you when the extracting is done. So guys, it will show a message like completing the GIMP setup. It will show a message like completing the GIMP setup wizard, and click finish. And then automatically the app will be opened, I think. There we go guys. Our GIMP 2.10 is loading. So I will even pause the video to let the GIMP 2.10 load. By the way guys, GIMP is a free image manipulation program guys. GNU image manipulation program. This full form is GIMP full form. So guys, GIMP is a free image editor like Photoshop. Like you should think it is a best alternative for Photoshop with no money. You can download the older version also for free and even the new version. So as you can see, it same look like Photoshop. So we need to create new. So and then we can take any of the dimensions and click OK, and that size of a figure will be open. You can move any figures, copy paste them, and even you can import them, export them, do whatever you like, and you can roam with it. And there are many tutorials for this GIMP app in YouTube. So if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Gamer. Bye bye.